Hey YouTube, Caitlin Page here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my passion twists. This is my first tutorial on YouTube, so bear with me. But yeah, this style is really easy. I've never had passion twists before, but I've been wanting them for a while. So if you don't feel like paying someone to do them for you, they're pretty easy. So if you want to know how I got this look, just keep watching. So what you're first going to need is the FreeTress braiding hair. I used the water wave pattern in inch 22 and then just my normal hair color. Next, you're going to need something to moisturize your hair. I used whipped shea butter, just a little bit before you start twisting, braiding, and stuff like that. Next, you're going to need some Eco Style just for the parts and to keep your hair kind of together with the braiding hair. Setting foam just for afterwards, as well as some hairspray just for afterwards once you're done with the twist. And then also a rat tail comb just for the parts, and just a little jewel if you want to accessorize. So what you're going to do first is just moisturize your hair, just focusing on the ends because this is the most fragile part when in these styles. And then next you're going to just grab your strands of hair. I love that these are already separated so you don't have to worry about that. I did 2 strands of hair for one twist just because I like the sizing of it. You can do 1 or 3 just depending on how big you want them. And then I kind of staggered the hair a little bit. You don't have to do this, but I liked how it looked when I did it. So I just made one strand longer than the other just to kind of give it a little bit more length as well. I take a little bit of my Eco Gel, just getting my part neat. You don't want to use too much because it'll dry kind of white if you do. Just a little bit. And then I just take both of my strands, and I personally start off doing the box braid method. I don't use rubber bands or anything. I saw a couple methods on YouTube, which I think is the right way, where you use like 2-strand twists with your hair into the braiding hair. My hair is too slippery, so I know that wouldn't stay. So I just did the box braids first just to anchor my hair. And then once you let go of the passion twist, you won't even really be able to tell the box braids between like where the passion twists start and the box braids stop. So I just did that, and I did about 5 to 6 braids just to get my hair kind of anchored in there. And then once it was anchored in there, I just took my real hair and attached it to one of the braiding hair sides. Took a little bit of Eco and then just started twisting. And this is the easy part. This is what made the style so fast because it's literally just twisting. You don't want to do it too tight, and then you don't want to do it too loose because when you let it go, it won't stay if you do it too loose. So I just did kind of like a medium twist, not too tight, not too loose. This was the fast part. This is real time. It's not sped up or anything. I really like this style because it's just faster. I usually do like small box braids on myself, and they take about 12 hours. So this was only 4 hours just because the twists were really fast and simple. And I have the braid in the middle of my head because I kind of just wanted to do side parts with this style. So I have a left part and a right part. I don't have a middle part. That's why there's no part, like there's just a braid in the middle. That's just how I wanted to do it, but you can part it however you want. I'm not really that good with parting. That's something I still have to perfect, but if you do your own hair, you know it's hard. And then at the end, I just finger coil it. And yeah, it's pretty simple. It's gonna look kind of loose, messy looking. Next, I'm just gonna use some foam, just a little bit, because my hair will curl up if I use too much. And then just some hairspray just to kind of set that in, not too much as well. And then I just grab my little clip, and then I just accessorize. Again, this is optional. You don't have to do this. I like doing it because it kind of helps keep my hair in place as well. I'm not a professional, so whatever can keep the style for at least a month, I'm cool with. And I just slick my baby hair. I'll attempt to. And yeah, it's pretty simple. Again, this style only took me 4 hours, which I was very pleased with. So I feel like I can definitely do this like a Friday night or a Saturday or whatever. if I have an event to go to or something. So yeah, it was really simple. I like the layered look. I didn't want them all the same length. So yeah, parts big like I like them. I could do a little better on the parting, but it was good enough for me for my first time. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I really tried hard, so if you have any advice or suggestions, just let me know down in the comments. Bye!